Here is the exact ladder to success from 0 to 100, basic, beginner to a funded trader. Every single trader, regardless of their position, will go through this exact cycle. And the first one is a beginner. This is where you're going to be experimenting, finding different strategies, learning how price action works. And the next one is the gift and the curse, ICT. This is where you start to figure out about ICT himself and his teachings. Start learning about liquidity, fair value gaps, maybe even order blocks and breaker blocks. You start thinking that knowledge equals success, which is completely wrong. Then the next thing that you will go through is something called simplification. What happens is you go from beginner, learning the very basics, to ICT mentee, which is learning all these advanced concepts and believing that ICT is the greatest trader of all time. You then go on to layer 4, which is called mastery. You start off as a beginner using very basic concepts, then overused all these complicated concepts. Then you started to simplify it. Now you're starting to master it. You start backtesting properly. You start doing all these different things like journaling and, focus on your psychology and all of the back end stuff that no one really thinks about. You start scaling and refining. You start looking at certain things about your strategy that you can improve, that needed improving. And you start scaling from 10K, to 100, and then all the way to like 1 million in funding. Every single trader you will ever meet has gone through or is going through this entire process.